Hi everyone, welcome to the third episode of the Brown Girl Tries. In today's video, we are going to be trying some Disguise Cosmetics products. All of these products were very kindly sent to me by Babo India. These are all the products. I already have one of Disguise Cosmetics lipsticks, so I was actually asked to choose a bunch of products from Disguise, and I didn't choose any of the lipsticks because I already know that the formula is pretty good, and I have way too many lipsticks. So I was like, I'm not gonna get any lipstick, but this is a lipstick I really love. I wear it quite often, so you guys can see it on my feed, but I'm not gonna use this today. It is a really good lipstick though, highly recommend it. So let's start off with the squares. So I have 4 eyeshadow squares with me. The shades I have are Satin Brown Cedar, Satin Brown Cedar, Satin Green Fern, Shimmer Pink Autumn, and Satin Copper Lava. I already have my base on because I don't want to waste time wearing that on camera. Before we get into the actual eyeshadows, I want to use the Miss Cosmetics palette to carve out my crease because there are no matte shades from this guy's collection. So I'm using the shade Leap, which is like a dark brown. Do a little bit of defining before we can get into the colors. I'm going to use this using a brush on the outer corner over here. So I don't know if you guys can see that better, but basically it's not as pigmented as I thought it would be. It has a very subtle metallic keyness to it. It's not too like in your face metallic, and it blends quite nicely even with a brush. So usually eyeshadows that like are metallic, I prefer to use my fingers, but I think this applied really nicely, really pretty and really nice. So the next color I'm going to use is Satin Copper Lava. This is like a really nice coppery orange color. So the reason why you can see like this like whole thing is because you can actually remove all of these like single eyeshadows and put them in a Z palette. I think you can also get them as a pack of 6. Also, all of these products can be found on Pavo India. So get this on Pavo India for 10% off using my code the HDOS. I'm going to use my finger now. This actually blends like so easily, like I barely did anything. Now I'm going to use the shade Shimmer Pink Autumn, and I'm going to use it on my inner corner. Take a little bit. Like brighten up so beautifully. My skin is looking so yellow. That's why I don't like reduce the exposure, but like that's how you see the like properness of this eyeshadow. Satin Green Fern, and I'm going to use it on like the lower lash line. I'm just going to place it right there. I don't know if it looks good on camera, but in real life it looks pretty nice. I'm going to use the Velvet Glow Multi Stick. This is in the shade Rose Gold Stormborn. Oh, oh cool. I never opened it. This is the first time I'm opening it. I'm just going to go on my cheekbones, my clean fingers to blend it out. I think something like this will look really nice under sunlight rather than like lights like this because it reflects more, so you can't really see much. It smells yummy. It's a very subtle glow stick. Right, so now I've essentially completed this look. The same thing on this side. All of the other product details will be in the description, so please be sure to check it out. But now we're gonna try out the lipsticks. I know how this lipstick looks because I've already tried it, and I have to say I really love it. I think the color is great. It's a very nice deep brown. I'm gonna try out the shade Naughty Magenta. I haven't tried this yet. I don't know what it looks like. I really like purples. I like wearing purples. But this is like a brighter magenta color, so I'm a little bit nervous. But yeah, this is what the packaging looks like. I personally don't love the packaging, but it's a really good formula, and I like the doe foot applicator as well. Do you see how bright this is. Oh my god, I actually really like the shade. I know this is not everyone's cup of tea, but yeah, it's looking much brighter in like real life. Let me just, it's exactly what it sounds like. This is called the Feather Light Matte Liquid Lip Cream. It does feel like a lip cream. It doesn't feel super runny. It was super easy to apply, and the doe foot applicator is really nice to like get the sides and stuff. Yeah, I really like this look. Another thing I actually really appreciate about this formula is that you can actually blend it in with other lipsticks as well. I don't recommend doing it as soon as it's dried out, because then it gets a little bit hard to like blend it in. But if it's just about to dry and you apply another lipstick on top of it, it looks really, really nice. It's really easy to blend. Kind of does transfer. Let me just, do you see that? Like there's a little bit of transfer, but it doesn't, like when it fades away, it doesn't fade away in a way like there's like that butthole lip thing. It doesn't do that. It fades away slowly instead of like from the inner lip or from the outer lip. I think the formula is a huge hit for me. It works really, really well. I also really like the lipstick, like I mentioned. So I think their lip products are, in my opinion, like a huge hit. Overall, I would say that all of the products are Brown Girl approved. The colors showed up on my eyes. Sometimes, eyeshadows don't show up on my skin tone. Like I'll have to layer it so many times in order for me to get a good color payoff. But you know what? It's looking really, really nice and very subtle, but also it's there, and I love how my makeup looks in real life. I'll also put in an iPhone picture so you guys get a better idea, because the lights and the setup kind of like makes my skin look really blurry, and I've tried to fix it, guys, but it doesn't work. So you can get all of these products on Power India with 10% off using my code the HDose. And I want to give a huge shout out to Power for sending all of these products very kindly, so thank you so much. Please check them out. They're a really great marketplace. They have all of like the small homegrown brands in like one place. So you have decor, you have jewelry, you have makeup, skincare, like you have a bunch of different things. It's not just makeup and skincare. So yeah, I highly recommend that you guys check it out. The link is in my bio to purchase. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what other brands I should try. And if you enjoyed this style of a video, it's a first impressions, but let me know if you would like to see a review. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.